See, there was a suggestion yesterday when all the ministers met not to give more permits for cars because there are too many cars on the road. There is no parking. They come and park in anybody's neighborhood, blocking people from even coming out of their house. You see what is happening in and around the airport. They park all over near the joggers park. People can't come out of their houses. This situation cannot be allowed beyond a certain point. I will be reviewing the whole thing. But as far as two-wheelers are concerned, it is another big problem. Taxis, two-wheeler taxis, what are there? Rent a cab, what is there? I think it is another big problem which is developing because they were just given without application of mind. I want to inform you, last 8 months I have not cleared a single new license and I am not going to clear. Even those who are having more than 50 bikes each person, when they come for renewal, I ensure they get only maximum 20. At the moment I am trying to make it 10, but there is a lot of resistance. Because what happens is, we have to keep our roads safe. Ye biker bosta, सुशेगाद वयता टुरिस्ट तांकां बाबड्यांक खबर ना फाटल्यान GPS घेवन बसता लेफ्ट घे म्हणटा लेफ्ट घे एक्चुअली घेवपा जाय रायट ते GPSाचेर लेफ्ट येता ते केन्ना फीड केल्ले डेटा आनी तितून देव जाणा आनी मागीर तो रायट मारतलो फाटल्यान बम करून हाडून कोण मारता दॅट्स हाव देर हॅव बीन मॅक्सिमम फॅटेलिटीज. Do we want to welcome tourists and one side kill them on the roads by no steps being taken by us? That's why I'm going to totally restrict this to two-wheeler, rent a bike. I'm going to bring down the numbers so that there are less accidents and only in certain places they will be able to fly.